Hi there. So I actually started making this video on the 23rd of May 2023, and because the price of TAP has hardly moved since then, it's taken till now to get it finished. So let's just wind back a month or so and see what I was on about back then. Hi there, savewith.crypto here. Okay, so Tuesday 23rd of May, there was a nice little pump in Bitcoin this morning, so I finished a trade I had going, and I withdrew zero point 0.1 of a Bitcoin from my ByBit account and moved it over to Bittrex, and you can see that here, 0.1 Bitcoin there. Now, everybody's been, well, not everybody, but a lot of people have been moaning about the price of XTP since January, really, and I mean, quite rightly so, I suppose, because I know in Satoshi value it's been up to, I think it was up to 80 at some point, and now it's down to about like 15 or whatever. But the reason is I think because people just keep trading it between various values, and guess what? I'm going to do the same. I'm going to go to markets and then go to XTP. So XTP BTC, that's what I want. The current price is 17. That's been quite low, actually. That's been down to 9 at one point, but more recently, let's say 15. So I want to buy some at 15. Okay, so I'm going to do that. But if you look at the order book here, you see I'm not alone. Certainly, there's a lot of people who want to buy at 15. Quite a lot at 14, 13, 12, 11. You know, there's plenty of orders down there. So I think 15 is probably a reasonable place to start. Yeah, so I think 15 is okay. Okay, so I'm going to use all my Bitcoin. That'll get over 500,000 XTP, which is cool. Okay, so I'm just going to set that at 15. So now you'll see that in the open orders there. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that. It's 7:17 on Tuesday morning now. So let's see how long that takes to fill. Okay, so it's now Thursday morning, so 2 days later, and the order finally filled this morning. So actually got an average price of 14 sats, which is cool. Now, I think what happens at this point, loads of people are just thinking, oh, okay, well, if it goes up to, what should we say? Yeah, if it goes up to 17, I'll sell, and then just keep repeating, really. So just looking in the order book, 2 million at 18, go for that, shall I? 18, the quantity is going to be 100%. Okay. And that should make 0.118 Bitcoin. Okay. Place that sell order. And then my idea is just repeat that. Now, I think the problem is there's loads of people doing this with much more substantial orders, and that's why the price is trapped sort of down here. I think it will all change when the app gets released in the US and more money comes into the market. Okay, so fast forwarding now to 21st of June, happy solstice by the way, you can see here that we're actually getting back to almost the target I was looking for. So I was looking for 18 sats, currently at 17, and you can see here the order hasn't filled at all yet. So I'm going to leave it for a little while and see what happens. I'm kind of hoping that around about the start of the New York Open, which is in 90 minutes time, we'll see some volatility, and hopefully the price might spike up here and fill. Now, if it goes like way beyond 18 and goes up to like 30 odd, I'm not going to be gutted because I've got a ton of TAP anyway. I'm just going to be happy to take the profit that this one has made. So let's see what happens in the next few hours. And indeed, that's pretty much exactly what happened. The price went up to 18. My order was filled here, actually giving an average price of 17 there. So you can see here that this is what we bought it at, 0.1 Bitcoin, and it's now worth 0.118, which is nice. So I could please myself with what I do now. I could withdraw it and do something else with it, or I could put it back into a trade, or I could trade some more within Bittrex. I probably wouldn't do that. I'd probably rather transfer it to ByBit. But you get the idea. I think this is what people are doing. People are just sort of, buying, waiting for an increase and then selling it, and then buying and then selling. And this is why the price is stuck. That said, it seems to be moving quite a bit today, so it might go a lot higher. In fact, it's already gone up to 19 and a bit beyond. So this is probably it now. It's probably going to go way, way high now. So I think what I'll do, I'll move that Bitcoin out to my ByBit account and then do some trading with it over there. Because this was all a bit slow for my liking. I mean, it made quite a nice percentage gain because it actually made that much Bitcoin, starting off with 0.1, which equals that. So multiply that by 100. I know you can do it in your head, but obviously that's 18.3%. 18.3%, I can probably make that faster in a month by just trading Bitcoin. So that's probably what I'll do. So if you do want to trade on ByBit, please use my link, which will get you up to a $30,000 bonus. So that's savewith.crypto.org/ByBit. If you want to trade on Bittrex, you can use my affiliate link for that. I haven't a clue what you get. I think you get like $20 or something for free. But that is on savewithcrypto.org/Bittrex. And also, if you want a little bit of free money from the Tap Global app, you can go to savewithcrypto.org/tap. So there you go. So if you like the idea of easy free money and simple trades that are a bit slow maybe, or if you like Tap in general, then please do give the video a like. But above all, tell your friends.